Hey estate agent owners, so if you own an estate agency or a letting agency, then this video is absolutely for you. If you're looking for marketing for estate agencies, then keep watching this video. I want to tell you a few different ways in which we help estate agents just like yours to generate more viewings, more valuations, more inquiries from people who want to sell their house or rent their house and so on. Okay, so let's get on with it. Number one is using Google Ads. So with Google Ads, you can be listed at the top of the Google page when people type in words that are relevant to your business. So for example, if somebody wants to sell their house, they might type in sell my house, or they might type in estate agents or local estate agents or estate agents London. Then rather than your competitors being at the top of the page, you can get your business listed at the top of the page, so you're getting the inquiries as opposed to your competitors getting the inquiries. And this can be done typically even within a period of a week. Likewise, if people want to evaluate their homes, right? So they want to see how much their homes are worth. Because if somebody's interested in getting a valuation, they are your potential customer. So we can package all these up into Google Ads and tell Google that, hey, if somebody's searching for these, we want to be listed at the top of the Google page because we want the inquiries and not our competitors. Another way you can get more valuations, more leads flowing into your estate agency or letting agency is by using a strategy called Google Business Profile, which used to be called Google Maps or Google My Business. And that is where if you scroll down the Google page a little bit, you'll see a graphical view of like a map and maybe 3 listings. Now, a lot of people click on that area because it's graphical, it stands out. It's not just text, right? So, but people tend to click on that a lot, so people might be typing in estate agents near me or letting agents near me or sell my house or whatever, right? And then you want to be listed within that section. There is a strategy you use. So what we do, we help a lot of estate agents get within that section. It does take time, but once you're in that section, you'll be flooded with more valuations, more inquiries, and so much more. Another strategy we can use is using something called SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now, we can do SEO for estate agents, right? So what that means is that we can get your business listed in the organic section of Google. In other words, when you scroll down a bit, there's a section whereby regardless of whether you get 1 click or 100 clicks, you'll be paying no one anything, right? Because it's absolutely free. Getting to that part isn't so easy, right? Because you can imagine everybody wants to be within that organic section. But we've helped so many different estate agents to get within the organic section of Google. Now, these are just 3 quick ways that I've told you that you can use to promote your estate agency or letting agency. And these are just some of the marketing strategies that you can use. If you're interested, if you're an estate agent owner or letting agent owner and you want to generate more leads and more sales, more valuations and more bookings, whatever, for your estate agency, there'll be a link somewhere around this video. Click on that link. Let's talk, right? And during our call, we'll discuss where your letting agency or estate agency is, how many branches you got, what is it the main thing that you're trying to attract, is it buyers or is it sellers, and so much. And we can create a custom package which suits just your estate agency within your location, within your locations. Whether you got 1 location or whether you got several branches, it doesn't really matter. We can develop a strategy for you and we'll tell you exactly what that strategy is. And if you want to, we can then proceed with that strategy either on a long term or a month-by-month rolling basis. So if you are interested in developing a marketing strategy for your estate agency, click on the button, let's talk, and look forward to seeing you on the other side. Goodbye for now.